much. Thank you.
Thanks, Ambassador.
Good afternoon. I am honored to take part in this closing plenary on the evolving role of legal practitioners in the development ecosystem. I thank the Planning Committee and especially Dr. Neoma Nou for the invitation. Lawyers are often seen as obstacles to innovation, but I believe we can and must be catalysts of development and economic dynamism. To borrow a term from Virginia Postrel, dynamism is the ongoing change in the production and exchange of goods and services. The challenge for us as legal practitioners is to make sure that this dynamism flourishes within a framework of stability and trust. In other words, under the rule of law. The rule of law remains the foundation of progress. It means that clear and consistent norms govern social life, countering arbitrariness and reducing the risk of human interaction. No society can achieve sustainable development if its people cannot predict how the law will be applied. For this reason, judges and lawyers play a crucial role. Our task is not to rebate the law according to shifting fashions or political agendas, but to apply it faithfully as the people's representative enacted it. As Justice Antonin Scalia reminded us, words may change their usage over time, but their original meaning endures, and that meaning should guide interpretation. When judges yield to the temptation to improve the law, whether in the name of justice or efficiency, they weaken the very certainty on which liberty and development depend. The challenge has become even greater in the realm of international adjudication. Many international courts deal with treaties drafted in broad and often indeterminate language. That gives judges wide discretion, and with it, responsibility for judicial restraint, for the virtue that Adam Smith, nearly 250 years ago, called parsimony, moderation, prudence, and foresight. Parsimony is not only an economic virtue, it is also a moral one. In law, it reminds us that interpretation should not replace legislation, and that authority must always be exercised with humility. As we face complex development challenges, from digital transformation to global inequality, the rule of law remains our best instrument to channel human creativity toward shared prosperity. Lawyers can drive change by ensuring innovation occurs within predictable, fair institutions. So, the most meaningful shift in recent years in this growing awareness is that the law is not a drag on innovation, but its most reliable ally. When lawyers secure the rule of law, they, in fact, enable economic dynamism and human progress. Thank you very much.